Another nor'easter means a storm watch weather alert. I kind of feel like a broken record when I say that.
Especially in the terms of just the past few weeks since the beginning of March. This is now number 3.
Another one on the doorstep.
Well, Pamela's been tracking how much snow we can get, but she's pretty much guaranteed we're going to get snow regardless of where you are.
It's looking likely, yes, that snow is going to be the main headline for this storm. We'll get the gusty winds, and there is a potential for some coastal flooding, but not going to be the focus of this particular storm. It's going to be some, perhaps, jackpot zones of over a foot of snow, maybe even more than that. So stay tuned. Snow starts Monday night and starts to taper off through Tuesday evening. It's not going to be as wet or as pasty with a consistency such as what we saw during the last nor'easter. So not anticipating any widespread power outages, but you could see some isolated outage potential. Rain and wet snow across the outer Cape and Islands, then strong winds again, but only minor coastal flooding if we get that worst case scenario with the storm tracking farther west, closer to us. So the coastal flood impact will be some for those folks vulnerable along the coast that have been dealing with all these tide cycles. The tides will be astronomically lower on this particular storm. More about that in a minute. Damaging wind gusts, some impact too. Outage potentials there, but hazardous travel. That's going to be our highest impact with lots and lots of snowfall. The system right now just starting to get started, and it will develop as a coastal low off the coast of the Carolinas and move our way over the next 24 hours. For now, overnight, it's a clearing sky, and we have the snowpack out there, and temperatures are going to be colder than they otherwise would be. 39 in Boston, 31 in Manchester, but overnight will fall to 22 degrees. Some of the suburbs to the north and west in the teens, and a brief northwest breeze. High temps tomorrow with an onshore wind. We'll have the low 40s, some mid 40s in a couple communities, increasing clouds throughout the day, and then things deteriorate after midnight Monday. Monday into Tuesday afternoon, winter storm watch has been posted by the National Weather Service. Again, this will be updated to either a winter storm warning or maybe a blizzard warning. There is that potential, especially along the coast, where we could see 3 hours or more consecutively of perhaps quarter-mile visibility or less, as well as considerable blowing and or drifting snow and maybe frequent gusts or constant winds of 35 miles an hour. That's the definition of a blizzard. We have to have that criteria. So we'll see what the National Weather Service does with that. Tomorrow afternoon, you may experience some spitting from the clouds, a bit of a wintry mix, some flurries. That's not the storm. The main system moves in after midnight, and this particular forecast model has eased up a little bit. It has moved back the start of the storm by a few hours, but still Tuesday night, Tuesday morning, it all goes downhill. 1 to 3 inch snowfall rates per hour throughout Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, very tough travel conditions with the wind gusts added on. We have an onshore wind, and then the wind changes from the north-northwest by Tuesday evening as the storm pushes out to sea. So we're looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow accumulation. Some of the models, again, may come in with higher amounts, and the track, if it changes, we will change these numbers. So definitely want to tune in tomorrow morning on WBZ This Morning with Danielle Niles. She'll have the latest update to the forecast accumulation. 3 to 6 inches out to the west and 3 to 6 inch range across the outer Cape and Nantucket. The wind gusts 45 to 65 miles per hour across Boston, but Cape Ann to Cape Cod as well as the South Shore could see 65 mile per hour wind gusts, and that's where you're under a high wind watch from Monday night through Tuesday evening. Again, this will be upgraded to a warning or a wind advisory. Now, the wave height potential, the tide that we're most concerned with for this particular storm will be Tuesday morning. Just after 9 a.m., that tide, 9.2 feet. Not talking about 11-foot tides to start with. So we add a 1 to 3 foot surge potential on top of that tide of 9.2, and we're looking at minor flood potential with 10 to 20 foot waves just offshore. Our other high tide cycle, in coincidence with the storm here, will be Tuesday night, and that one a little bit lower at 8.5 feet. So that is some promising news for coastal residents. But the 7-day forecast, we're all going to get slammed with several inches of snow. These numbers to be updated. After that, the pattern flips, and we get a break, hopefully, for a long time from these nor'easters. Going into next weekend, a bit of a warm-up and plenty of sunshine. Katie, Ken?
Sunny on Friday.
The pattern flips. Did I hear that right?
Yes, you did. It flips.
All right.
Well,